Hey, this is Christian Montalvo. This video is for about 225, week number 2. This is the first exercise, which is getting to know our compound microscope, which is this one right here. So we're gonna go over some part of the microscope. So I want you guys to get close to the microscope so we can go over the parts of the microscope. The first one that we have is the ocular lens. In this case, is only one, which is monocular lens. And then we have the arm of the microscope, which is this part, metal part of the microscope. After that, we have the coarse focus knob, which is this one, which is help us to move the lens up and down. And then this little knob down here is called the fine focus knob. Then we have the illuminator, which is the light, and the illuminator switch, which is this one here. You can see the light going on and off. Then we have the diaphragm, which is this part down here, which is you can open and close, depending how much light you want to go through the lens. Then we have the stage, which is this black part here, which that's the place where we place our specimens. Then we have the stage clip, which is this metal thing here. This is what grabs the specimen and help us move it. With these knobs, we can move it up and down or side, right or left. Then we have the objective lens, which is this one's here. Then we have what the part that's holding the lens. It's called the turret, and this is the part of the microscope. Then we're gonna do the exercise part number 2, which is view and prepare microbe slides. We're gonna use the oil immersion lens and the immersion oil to see this specimen slide that it was already prepared for us to see, and we're gonna see it through every single through every single objective lenses. Okay, so we're gonna wear our gloves, and then we're gonna prepare these clothes. We're gonna turn on the light, and we have the specimen. The specimen that we're gonna use today, it's gonna be the penicillium with conidia. So we're gonna place it right under here, and the first lens that I have there is the less powerful lens, which is just help us to see an overview of the specimen. Nothing really, we cannot really see so much details of it. And this is only the scanning lens, so you guys can get close to the ocular lens. Closer. Right there. You can see it right there. Okay, then we're gonna move it to the low power lens, and in this one we're gonna be able to see. We're gonna have to adjust the picture, the specimen, so I'm moving it upward so we can focus it. There you go. There you go. And now you guys can see. This is the low power lens. Now we can see more details, and we can literally describe this specimen. Then we're gonna move to the high power. This lens will help us see a lot more details. Let me just focus. Can help us see really every single detail of this bacteria, and we can describe it and classify what kind of bacteria is this. So you guys can take a pic. Right there. See, we can see really close. Now we're gonna use the oil immersion lens, and we're gonna apply some oil in the specimen. So first of all, we're gonna switch the lens to the oil immersion lens, and we're gonna be able to see with a lot more detail every structure of the bacteria. And then we got the oil immersion right here. Then we just kind of place a drop right in the middle where the specimen is. Right there. And we this is my technique. I get the lens as close as I can to the specimen, and you guys will see how the specimen light up all around when it touches the oil right there. So now I'm gonna focus it. This is a little more tricky because there you go. And we can really see the nucleus of each cell in this bacteria, especially the nucleus with the oil immersion lens. All right. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video.